Hello everyone, and welcome to Monkey Quiz with our little monkey, Coco. Today, the little monkey will take us on a journey to experience the world of food through the game Would You Rather? Snacks and Junk Food Edition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon to stay tuned for more exciting games. Thank you, and have fun! Would you rather have a brownie or pancakes? Would you rather eat a donut or some waffles? KFC or McDonald's? Next one. What would you choose? Do you prefer 7-Up or Coca-Cola? Hot Takis or Hot Cheetos? Next one. Pudding or flan? I want to choose both. Wedges or Nutella? Would you rather let's choose. I definitely would choose Burger King. This is a hard one. Choose wisely. Would you rather here's another hard one. Let's choose. How about this one? Mozzarella sticks or fish sticks? Fruit Loops or Lucky Charms? Would you rather Whoa, let's choose. Twizzlers or cheesecake? I want everything. Sour Patch Kids or Cheez-Its? Swedish Fish or Goldfish? Caramel popcorn or cheese popcorn? They both look so good. Would you love to have some cupcakes or some muffins all to yourself? Would you rather? Time to choose. Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks? Cinnamon rolls or macarons? Choose wisely. This is a hard one. Let's choose. An icy or a DQ blizzard? Next one, pasta or lasagna? Would you rather have $100,000 or unlimited chicken nuggets? Churros or crepes? Let's choose. Unlimited pizza or unlimited ice cream? Ooh, can you make this tough decision? Big Mac or a double Whopper? Jelly Belly or Gummy Bear? Time to choose one! Would you rather choose wisely? Which one would you rather have? This or that? Ooh, this one's a hard one. Last one. What would you choose? Thank you for participating in the puzzle challenge on the Monkey Quiz channel with our little monkey, Coco. We're waiting for your results to be posted in the comments. You can click on the video currently displayed on the right or the left side of the screen. Join additional new challenges and become the winner. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and fun.